G'day, wildlife enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Today we're diving into the breathtaking beauty of Australia's natural landscapes. From vibrant coral reefs to ancient rock formations and lush rainforests, Australia is a continent bursting with diverse and awe-inspiring scenery. Get ready to be amazed. Australia is known worldwide for its unique and diverse landscapes. Millions of years of geological processes have sculpted this landmass, creating a tapestry of contrasting colors, textures, and ecosystems. Whether you crave the thrill of exploring rugged mountains or the tranquility of pristine beaches, Australia has something to offer every nature lover. So pack your sense of adventure, slather on some sunscreen, and let's embark on a journey to discover some of Australia's most iconic natural wonders together. First up, we're diving into the turquoise waters of the Coral Sea to explore the world's largest coral reef system, the Great Barrier Reef. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is so large it can even be seen from outer space. Imagine yourself snorkeling amidst a kaleidoscope of colors. Thousands of coral species create an underwater garden teeming with life. Schools of brightly colored fish dart through the corals, while graceful sea turtles glide through the crystal-clear waters. The Great Barrier Reef is a fragile ecosystem facing threats from climate change, pollution, and human activities. It's crucial that we protect this natural wonder for future generations. By supporting sustainable tourism and conservation efforts, we can all play a part in preserving the magic of the Great Barrier Reef. Next, we venture into the heart of Australia's Outback to witness the majesty of Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. This massive sandstone monolith rises dramatically from the arid landscape, its ochre-red surface glowing different hues throughout the day. Uluru holds deep spiritual significance for the Anangu people, the traditional owners of the land. For thousands of years, they have been the custodians of this sacred site, passing down stories and traditions through generations. As the sun sets over the Outback, casting long shadows across the desert, Uluru transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of color and light. It's a truly humbling experience to witness the raw beauty and cultural significance of this ancient monolith. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty of the Blue Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located just a short drive from Sydney. This breathtaking region is characterized by towering sandstone cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and dense eucalyptus forests. The Blue Mountains get their name from the blue haze that often hangs in the air, created by the eucalyptus oil released from the trees. This natural phenomenon adds an ethereal quality to the already stunning scenery, making you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on one of the many scenic trails that wind through the Blue Mountains National Park. Be sure to visit the iconic Three Sisters Rock Formation, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Section 5. Kakadu National Park, Ancient Landscapes and Aboriginal Culture. Get ready to delve into the heart of Kakadu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's home to some of the oldest and most spectacular rock art in the world. This vast wilderness in the Northern Territory is a tapestry of ancient landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich Aboriginal culture. As you explore Kakadu's rugged escarpments, plunge pools, and billabongs, you'll be walking in the footsteps of the Bininji/Mungi people, who have called this land home for over 65,000 years. Their ancient rock art provides a glimpse into their spiritual beliefs, hunting practices, and connection to the land. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that inhabits Kakadu, including saltwater crocodiles, wallabies, and an array of colorful bird species. From sunrise boat tours to guided walks with Aboriginal rangers, there are countless ways to experience the magic of Kakadu. Section 6. The Whitsundays. 74 Islands of Paradise. Imagine sailing through crystal-clear turquoise waters, surrounded by 74 idyllic islands fringed with pristine white sand beaches. Welcome to the Whitsundays, a slice of paradise located on the Great Barrier Reef. Whether you dream of relaxing on Whitehaven Beach, consistently ranked among the world's most beautiful beaches, snorkeling amidst colorful coral gardens, or sailing through the heart of this tropical wonderland, the Whitsundays has something for everyone. The Whitsundays offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Go scuba diving or snorkeling to discover the underwater wonders of the Great Barrier Reef, or simply unwind on deck and soak up the breathtaking scenery. Section 7. Tasmania. Rugged beauty at the bottom of the world. Journey south to Tasmania, Australia's island state, and prepare to be enchanted by its rugged beauty and unique wildlife. This island paradise is a haven for nature lovers, with its dramatic coastlines, ancient rainforests, and towering mountain peaks. Explore Freycinet National Park, home to Wineglass Bay, often hailed as one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Hike to the summit of Cradle Mountain for panoramic views of Dove Lake and the surrounding wilderness. Encounter Tasmania's unique wildlife, including the iconic Tasmanian devil, wombats, and echidnas. With its fresh air, stunning scenery, and laid-back vibe, Tasmania offers a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 8. The Great Ocean Road, a coastal drive to remember. Embark on an unforgettable road trip along the Great Ocean Road, one of the world's most scenic coastal drives. This iconic route winds its way along the southeastern coast of Australia, offering breathtaking views of rugged cliffs, crashing waves, and charming seaside towns. Marvel at the 12 Apostles, a majestic collection of limestone stacks that rise dramatically from the Southern Ocean. Explore the lush rainforests of Otway National Park, home to towering waterfalls and ancient ferns. Indulge in delicious seafood in the charming seaside towns that dot the coast. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or a first-timer, the Great Ocean Road is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Section 9. Ningaloo Reef. Swimming with whale sharks. Dive into the turquoise waters of Ningaloo Reef, Western Australia's very own coral reef paradise. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its incredible marine biodiversity and offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to swim alongside the gentle giants of the ocean whale sharks. From March to July each year, these majestic creatures gather in the waters off Ningaloo Reef, drawn by the abundance of plankton. Join a snorkeling or diving tour for your chance to swim alongside these gentle giants, an experience you'll never forget. Ningaloo Reef is also home to an array of other marine life, including manta rays, sea turtles, dolphins, and colorful fish. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, Ningaloo Reef offers an unforgettable underwater adventure. Section 10. What Aussie adventure awaits you? From the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef to the ancient Monolith of Uluru and the rugged beauty of Tasmania, Australia is a country brimming with natural wonders waiting to be explored. So, what Aussie adventure are you most drawn to? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife adventures and travel inspiration. Until next time, keep on exploring.